Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Citibank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Citibank account. Visit the Citibank website or open the Citibank mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving a second factor. This could be via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your chosen method. Once confirmed, ensure that two-factor authentication is activated and save any changes. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Citibank account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.